Hi Shannon, happy birthday. Now that you're turning 18, I hope that, of course, being 18 is being free and independent, but I hope you bear in your mind that being 18 is being responsible in everything that you do. Um, if in case you need an advice or guidance, of course, there is Mamo, there's Tita Keka, and your mom to support you and to guide you um, in all your problems. And also we're here to help you and to guide you in case you need some advice. My prayer is that God will give you wisdom and, of course, more blessings and more birthdays to celebrate. Happy birthday, and we love you.
Hi Shannon, happy 18th birthday. We wish you all the best and may the Lord bless you with joy and a year full of blessings. See you soon!
Happy birthday, Shannon! I wish you a happy birthday. Enjoy your teenage life. Give your best, especially to your studies. Make your mom proud of you always. I love you. Happy birthday, Shannon!
Happy legality, my cousin Shannon. I wish you all the happiness and success. And, ayun, malapit na tayo magkita soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Boom!
Happy birthday, Shannon. Love you.